Welcome to the channel membership area. If you have been watching my videos, then you already know how valuable tax knowledge is. But did you know that there is an even better way to master how to file taxes while you're supporting this channel? I have created an exclusive channel membership area where you can unlock premium tax education content designed to give you expert guidance on tax filing. In this membership area, we have two sections. We have the lower section. The lower section focuses on VAT, covering everything from VAT registration, VAT return filing, and EFRIS compliance. Then we have the higher section. In the higher section, here we cover income tax filing. We take you through teen tax compliance, financial statement preparation, and accurate income tax return filing to avoid costly mistakes. Why should you join? By becoming a member, you're not just getting access to exclusive content. You're also supporting the production of more high-quality tax education videos. Your contribution helps me keep creating valuable content that makes taxation simple, practical, and easy to understand. Joining is easy. You just have to click the join button below this video. Select the membership level that suits you, and you'll instantly get access to your exclusive tax content. I would highly, kindly, and humbly encourage you to allow YouTube to keep deducting the price for the lower section each month. This contribution that you make every month goes a long way in keeping this channel running and bringing you even more valuable tax education content. Of course, I understand that sometimes situations can change and you may want to cancel your membership. So in the event that you've decided to cancel your channel membership, this is how you do it. To cancel your channel membership area, go to the top right corner of your YouTube channel, right there on your icon. Then scroll down to purchases and memberships right there. Click on that. The moment you click on that, you're going to see a lot of channels that you are, the channel where you are a member. So just click on that manage membership and click deactivate. And then you click end membership, and there you will have terminated your channel membership. As simple as that. But remember, when you cancel your channel membership, you can always rejoin and continue learning. So if you're ready to take your tax knowledge to the next level, support the channel, and access exclusive content, now is the perfect time to join. Click the join button below, pick your membership level, unlock premium tax education today. To those who have already joined, thank you. Your support makes all the difference. See you on the inside.